Topic 3, linear regression. Question number 1, the first part. Byx is equal to minus 1.2, bxy equal to minus 0.3. What is r? Now bxy and byx are given, so r square would be byx into bxy, so that is 0.36. So r is 0.6, but minus, since these two are negative. So D is the right option. The regression equation of x on y is this. This is x on y. X on y means x to the left, y to the right. Y x equal to minus 2 by 3 y plus 26 by 3. So here this is bxy. It is minus 2 by 3. Priti, let me know if the answer is wrong.
Okay, sir.
Or else, if someone else is awake, they can also tell me. If someone else is awake and if someone else has the energy to speak, byx and bxy both are negative, so r is also negative. Byx plus bxy is greater than equal to twice of mod r. Fifth one, find the value of the covariance between x and y. If regression coefficient of y on x is this, it is 3.75, standard deviation is 2 for x and standard deviation of y is 8. Now we can say byx is r into standard deviation of y upon standard deviation of x. Byx is 3.75, so that is equal to r into 8 upon 2. This is 4 za 8, 3.75 upon 4. If by any chance you get the answer to be less greater than 1, then it is wrong for sure. 4 9s are 36, 1 5, 4 3s are 12, 3075. My God.
Sir, they have asked covariance.
Okay, they have asked covariance. Okay, so this is R. Now, what is covariance? Covariance is what? Byx equal to covariance of xy upon standard deviation of x square. So it would be, what is Byx? It is 3.75. Covariance of xy. What is standard deviation of x square? It is 4. So covariance of xy would be 3.75. So that would be 15. This is not required. Question number 6, slope of line of regression. Slope of line of regression of y on x. So this is byx, x minus x bar. This is y minus y bar. Now slope of line of regression of y on x is this itself. It is same as regression coefficient of y on x. Yeah, it is same as regression coefficient of y on x. If I'm going wrong anywhere, just let me know. I'll think over it once again. Seventh one, regression analysis is the theory of both estimation and prediction. What have they given here?
So option C,
Right.
both A and B.
Yeah, we can estimate the value of one variable with the help of other if they are correlated. Let it be negative, positive, they are correlated. There are dash types of regression equations, only two types of regression equations, x on y and y on x. In the regression equation of x on y, when I say x on y, it would be x minus x bar equal to bxy into y minus y bar. Your x on y would mean x is independent, x is dependent, and y is independent. Byx and bxy are they depend only on bxy is what? C upon d into buv. That means that they depend only on change of scale. So change of scale affects them. Dependent on change of scale, but not on origin. Affect independent, independent of change of origin. So this is B. If the line of regression of y on x is y equal to x by 4. This is line of regression of y on x. So y equal to 1/4 of x is the line of regression of y on x. So b yx is 1 by 4. And the line of regression of x on y is x equal to y by 9. Then in that case bxy equal to 1 by 9. Then what is the value of r? R square equal to bxy into byx. It is 1 by 4 into 1 by 9. So 1 by 36. It is 1 by 6. R equal to 1 by 6. Positive. 13th one. R is 0.5. Standard deviation of x is 3. Standard deviation of y square is 16. Byx is what? Now standard deviation of y square is 16. So standard deviation of y is 4. Then R is given byx equal to R into standard deviation of y upon standard deviation of x. Byx is equal to 0.5 into 4 upon 3. So it is 2 upon 3. That is 0.667. The regression line is obtained by. Now, how do you obtain the regression line? So here when it is, we have to minimize the sum of square of deviations of the predicted value and the observed value. So minimize sum of squares of deviation from the predicted value from the observed value. You have to minimize it. So minimize, that is A option. Now remember that x minus x bar square upon n, this is called as error. This has to be minimized. Sum of squares of deviation has to be minimized. So it is the first option. 15th one. U equal to x minus 20 upon 5. V equal to y minus 30 upon 4. Bxy equal to c upon d. So 5 upon 4 into buv. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, see.
sir, if similar case of some other question similar to 14th one comes, then
Yeah.
how can we write the answer? Means
See, if it is, if it is y on x, if it is y on x, you need to minimize the horizontal distances. If it is x on y, you have to minimize the vertical distances. Just remember this. This is there in CFC. That is foundation course. It is there in foundation course. So just remember, we have to minimize the square of deviations. In fact, I would have emphasized on this when I taught you regression topic. If you go through the video lecture, you will realize it. I would have definitely mentioned it. The theory part, when I would have taken up the fill in the blank questions or objective questions, I would have definitely spoken about it. Any other question, Om?
no, sir.
16th one. Y equal to y minus 2.8x, x equal to 3 minus 0.5y. Now this would be what? Here they haven't given which one is y on x and which one is x on y. Multiply by 2, you get 2x equal to 6 minus y. Therefore y equal to minus 2x. plus 6. So B2 is minus 2, B1 is minus 2.8. Out of these two, B1 is greater than B2. So therefore, Byx is equal to the smaller one, minus 2, and Bxy equal to 1 upon the reciprocal of the larger one, minus 1 upon 2.8. So Byx is minus 2.
So behind they have given only 2. D option.
So then they have, behind they have given only,
2 as the answer. That is the D option.
no, it should be minus 2. Because both are negative. They made a mistake there. It should have been negative. D, but with a negative answer. Okay, the option that they have given is minus, it should have been minus 2. They have missed out on the sign. 17th one. R equal to 0.5, standard deviation of X is 3, standard deviation of Y square is 16, that means Y is 4. Bxy is R into standard deviation of X upon standard deviation of Y, 0.5 into 3 by 4, it is 1.5 upon 4, it is 0.375. So with this, I put an end to regression.